Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin just dropping. There was 300 Bitcoin sells per minute on Binance, but it got eaten up very quickly and almost bouncing completely back, which is amazing, sitting at 59. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my 630 something thousand account, and I'm going to do Ethereum technicals. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And I'll read your questions. Got so many questions yesterday. This is the market slightly down this morning on this Bitcoin drop. We've got, I'll order it, XRP down 4%, Solana 4%, Ethereum 4%, Pocket 3%, Doge 2%, Uni 2%, Bitcoin 59,100. I want to show you Bitcoin on Binance Spot. So this is Bitcoin Binance Spot. This is on the minute. So this is minutely charts. And you can see what caused us to dump here was you can see this red bars, these are the volume. We had 300 Bitcoin sell. This is what caused us to sell, the sell-off in the last 1 hour or 6 o'clock, and now we're sitting in the last 50 minutes. We had here 300 Bitcoin sell, then we had a 200 Bitcoin sell, 200 Bitcoin sell, then it got bought up. Then we had some reaccumulation, then we had 286 Bitcoin sell, and then reaccumulation bouncing back in the short term. Interesting. Let's go into the weekly. The weekly candle is finishing in 7 minutes, everyone, and it's going to be a bullish candlestick pattern. 7 more minutes until it closes. And the volume for the week, quite good. Buying volume, stochastic turning on, up. Crypto Guru Bot still a blue buy, which it fired in 2023 at 20k. It's still a blue buy now. You get the Bitcoin indicator bot, the Crypto Guru Bot in jamescryptoguru.com. The crypto mastercourse teaches you how to set it up. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. And again, we have 7 minutes for the weekly candle to the end. By the time I finish recording this, the weekly candle would have ended. And it's still in a bull flag, still in a big cup and handle. My targets for this cup and handle and bull flag are quite big. I've got it on the other chart. This is Bitcoin perpetual contracts on Binance. My target is 105 for this bull flag and cup and handle. It could be higher. Let's go onto the daily. We're going closer now. In the daily, big descending wedge that I predicted 1 week ago is playing out. Descending wedge builds pressure, breaks out. Target is 64k, the base of the wedge. We are finding resistance, heavy resistance at 60k. And now I kind of see there is a big channel starting to form here. Around 65k is one big resistance. And around 53k is one big support. At around 53k, we have one big support. Let's get rid of this. I'll make it into a trend line. And also, I would say that we have a pattern forming here, actually. Let's get rid of this descending wedge because it's almost finished playing out. And look at what's forming here. Whoa. A huge descending wedge is forming here on Bitcoin. If we want to break out now actually from this actually no, because those two touches on this line, yeah, interesting. Because this is a support, I would say. So it does finish, it's not a descending wedge, it's a descending triangle, everyone. We could find resistance here and pull back. You can see descending triangle building here. Builds pressure, builds pressure, builds pressure, breaks out the base of the triangle, base of the descending triangle. Target of this would be 75k. Now, do we break out right now or do we pull back again to 52k? If it pulls back to 52k, that would be pretty bad for the markets. There'll be a lot of panic on that pullback to 52k. My trade would not be nice as well because right now it's big in the profits, but looks like it is going to break out towards 72k. But does it break out now and then we get this pump to 72k, or does it break down and activate at 52k? That is the question. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. Yesterday's riskier trade hit stop loss just now, actually, on that drop just now. I'll show you. We'll go closer onto the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, this is yesterday's trade. It activated, but it pinned down on those 300 Bitcoin sells per minute and hit stop loss. Unfortunately, my stop loss was 58,745. We came down to 58,600. it would have been in profit actually if the stop loss is a little bit lower. Bounced, activated, and then so hopefully you had a bit lower stop loss. Inverse head and shoulders I still clearly see here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So Bitcoin can still be pumping out here. There is this rising kind of pattern forming here. Rising channel. I wouldn't call it a rising wedge. It just looks like a channel that's climbing. So the target for me, 72k. Safe place to take your trade is on this very strong support here at 56,167. That would be the safest spot. That would be the safest spot to take the trade here. 56,265, stop loss 55,478. Take profit 105k. Risk to reward is 62 times, risking 786 to make 49,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage will be 490,000. That's the trade. Opens 56,265, stop loss 55,478. But that selling pressure is getting bought up, which is interesting to see. If Bitcoin does break out here, it would be a great entry to try and go long if it manages to break out, setting the same trade, but it's very risky, this one. High chance it hits the stop loss, but it would be great if it activates and then takes out of this descending wedge. It would be a perfect entry. This is a riskier trade at 58,671, stop loss 58,294, risking $373 to make 49,000. That's the riskier trade. Safer trade, 56,512. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my account. If you want to trade the same like you're seeing me, underneath the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus if you use that link. It's the main exchange for trading. If you've been losing money on exchanges, if you've been using dodgy exchanges, or if you're worried that they're going to freeze your accounts, Bybit is the best. I've been using it for 5 years for trading. Amazing. Take the Crypto Master course to get the bots, learn how to set up your charts, and join us in the Telegram, everyone trading together. My Bybit account right now is 628,000. A little bit of a drop this morning on this Bitcoin drop. You can see it spiked down to 58. These are my trades where I sold Bitcoin at 65, where I bought Bitcoin at 53, 54, etc. And now we're at 59. Funding fee almost negative. My trade's still $12,900 in the profits. It's a $430,000 trade, and I'm almost getting paid to keep it open, but now it's slightly, I'm paying. It's slightly, funding fees have gone positive. And you can see my asset breakdown here. Bitcoin 18%, USD 31%, Doge 19%, MCRT 13%, Uniswap 8%. Let's do Ethereum and then Doge. Ethereum 2319. Ooh, it activated my Ethereum trade from yesterday, everyone. Congratulations. Anyone that took that trade, this was the trade from yesterday that I showed in yesterday's video. Look at that. Amazing. It spiked down, touched my trade activation from yesterday, and bounced back in the profits on Ethereum. Look at that. It came down and it exactly activated. My trade was at 2283 and we came down to 2281. So it activated by $2 and then it bounced into the profits. Awesome. Congratulations anyone that took that trade. Let's go into the weekly. Trend line activated. That was the trade on the trend line. Let's see if it manages to hold here and start to move up on today's trading day. Cool. It activated that Ethereum trade. I would keep the same trade, same target, 4,700, same stop loss. If it breaks this trend line, it will be very not nice because this trend line has been since 2022. So you can see here we've been climbing since September 2022 and we're at the bottom of the trend line. If it breaks, big support would be at 2,000. Very hard to break 2,000 in my opinion with the ETFs buying everything. But that trade from yesterday is now active. If you haven't taken a trade, I would set the same one as yesterday, which is beautiful. Let's go into Dogecoin. I'm going to read your questions and then we'll go into Doge. These are your questions from yesterday. I got so many questions, like, whoa, a lot. America, hello Mike, hello James the Guru, 100k on this mini bull run for Bitcoin, 200k next year around October for the halving. October 2025 in my opinion will be big resistance near the top. I am from the USA. Hi Brian. Hi Guru, you're handsome. I watch your videos every day. Your tests are just super. Thank you very much. You asking me to do Sunny Armenia. Number one trade in the world is not difficult. Notcoin, everyone, in my opinion, is like a shared meme coin that most likely is going to rug everyone, so be very cautious there. You have to do your own due diligence. I don't know much about Notcoin, but I do know it can be, you have to be very cautious with it. The word for kill in Hebrew of the context, thou shalt not kill. No killing. It's very obvious. The first covenant with God, do not kill. Don't try to word your way around it like every soul on earth who goes to war and then justifies killing and then thinks that they're going to go to heaven after they killed another soul, which is their soul that they killed, which is part of them, which is their own body. So they killed themselves and then they expect to go to heaven. You go to hell if you kill. It's very simple. You can't argue your way out of it. For any reason, you go to hell if you kill. In Islam, it says if you kill one person, like you killed all the people in the world. Exactly. The Love Heart 14 hours ago. Please, James, no more clickbait titles. Love your content. It's what works, guys. If the title is like clicky, like people want to click it, then people will watch it, right? Hey, James, do you think MCRT will get listed on Coinbase? I'm seed investing, buying more on the expectation that it grows. I'm only going to sell it once it achieves its goal and becomes a massive project in the top 10 even. Greetings from Holland. Thank you for your amazing updates. Thank you very much, Havana. What do you think about the Fed meeting? Will it be a sell the news or massive pump? It's going to be difficult to know because the markets all dropped on interest rates increasing because money became more expensive. As the interest rates drop, money will become cheaper to borrow and then people will be more easy to invest. So in my opinion, it will pump. Hi, James. Would be great if you could cover Tesla again. Keep up the great work. Best channel. Greetings from Germany. Hi, Rickold. Another correction. Okay, let's do Tesla. I'll do Tesla and Doge. Tesla 230. Tesla is ready to go, everyone. Get ready. Tesla is ready to go. My target for Tesla is 578. This is, as I teach you in the Crypto Masterclass, Stock Guru Masterclass, this is a symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, breaks out. Target base of the wedge, 578. Tesla is about to have a massive bull run, everyone. Be prepared. Tesla is about to have much stochastic heading up. Volume coming in. It's getting tight on the breakout of this. It's about to run, and it's going to run going into the October, in 10th of October, Elon Musk is going to give so in 10 days, there's going to be the Tesla quarterly earnings and the self-driving taxi announcement. And that's the catalyst it looks like that's going to shoot Tesla up. And I don't think it pulls back, everyone. I don't think we get a pullback to 151. I think it's ready to go. Tesla's ready to go to my $500 target, which is beautiful. Learn all this in the Crypto Masterclass, link down below. Sign up to Bybit, take the courses, join us in the Telegram. Inside the Telegram right now, there's 149 of you discussing. 300, they're really after him. They know it dropped on Trump almost assassinated, everyone. Trump almost assassinated again, and that's what dropped the market a little bit. Protect Trump at all costs. You can see everyone discussing, trading, talking together. 149 of you online, 4,000 members in this chat, and it's one of the most highly moderated chats in the world. In any crypto chat, you're never going to find less spam or less scammers than ours. It's very moderated. You can also join us, follow me on Twitter. I've got 91,000 followers there. My video is huge. 280 Bitcoin cells are being eaten up on Binance Spot. I posted that about 29 minutes ago. Aikido, the flow of energy, and you're joining with it. Learn Aikido if you haven't. It's amazing martial art. The SEC, we spent hundreds of millions of dollars in tax money over 4 years, relentlessly suing every crypto company in the US, labeling every crypto as a crypto asset. Also the SEC, we apologize for any confusion. At no point did we intend to suggest that crypto assets are actual securities. This is Biden and Harris's policies, everyone. Biden and Harris will destroy crypto in America. And you can just see everything that I've been posting. That's my updates in the market. I'm very pro-Trump because he's pro-freedom and pro-crypto. Trump has his own cryptocurrencies. If you like, and most crypto companies have been banned or don't operate in America because of Biden and Harris and their regulations against crypto. That's why I'm so pro-Trump, because it's pro-crypto in America. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Hope you learn a lot. These are lessons for you to learn from me, from my 24 years of trading experience. These are my accounts you're watching in real time, and you can do with that information what you want. You have to do your own due diligence, make your own decisions, but I want you to see and learn my lessons without you having to spend the money. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.